Namaste, dear viewers. In this Vidyamritam video, let us explore the Ashtadasha Vidyas. Sanatana Dharma is a vast ocean that encompasses many tenets, facts, principles, knowledge systems, and paths to enlightenment. So, in this context, can it be argued that there is only one holy book for Hindus? What is the one book that can be considered to be the Word of God? This is a very difficult question to answer because Sanatana Dharma is spread across many sources of wisdom. It is not confined or bound to one single text or doctrine. The beauty of the eternal Sanatana Dharma lies in its universal principles that guide its followers. But it can definitely be told that the Vedas form the substratum of Sanatana Dharma. Vedas are the most sacred roots of Hinduism on which the whole way of life rests. With this foundation, let us delve into the concept of Ashtadasha Vidyas. Ashta means 8, Dasha means 10, and Vidya means knowledge. It all comes together to mean the 18 fields of knowledge. These fields encompass a wide range of subjects reflecting a holistic approach to understanding Sanatana Dharma. Kanchi Mahapariva in his discourse has stated that one must take the efforts to understand Shastras and Vidyas as these benefit our mental and inner growth. Their knowledge might not translate into immediate material gains or spiritual benefit, but the very purpose of knowing the Vidyas is to propel us in the path of enlightenment. Balancing our minds and nurturing our knowledge is a key to moving forward in our spiritual path. The disciplines of Ashtadasha Vidya encompass a range of subjects from spiritual to philosophical to practical and artistic skills rooted in the Vedic tradition. These are integral to the holistic development of individuals. Broadly speaking, the 4 Vedas, 4 Upavedas, 6 Vedangas and 4 Upangas form the Ashtadasha Vidyas. Let us now understand each of these briefly. The Vedas, the bedrock of Hindu philosophy and spirituality. The Vedas are believed to be divine revelations heard by devout sages in deep meditation. Later on, these were written down and passed on. The 4 Vedas are Rig Veda is considered to be the oldest Veda containing hymns or suktas dedicated to different deities. It focused on cosmic order, nature and religious practices. Yajur Veda, with a focus on rituals and sacrifices, this Veda provides detailed instructions on performing yajnas or sacrificial ceremonies. The Shukla Yajur Veda and Krishna Yajur Veda are 2 versions of this Veda. Sama Veda, known as the Veda of melodies. This Veda consists of chants and musical notations derived from Rig Veda used in rituals as the basis of Indian classical music. This Veda is important for devotional and meditative practices. Atharva Veda. As a mystical Veda, this includes hymns, spells, chants for healing, protection and daily life. All the 4 Vedas have a similar structure that divides them into distinct sections. These are Samhita, which is the hymns and mantras section, Brahmana, elucidating rituals and procedures, Aranyaka, the meditative and symbolic interpretations, Upanishads, which focus on teachings of the self and supreme reality. The Vedangas. The Vedangas are the 6 auxiliary disciplines that support the study and interpretation of the Vedas. These are namely Shiksha, the science of phonetics and pronunciation, essential for the accurate recitation of the Vedic mantras. Vyakarana, grammar, which ensures correct understanding and usage of Sanskrit language. Chandas or poetic meter is crucial for composing and reciting hymns. Nirukta is etymology that explains the meanings and origin of Vedic words. Jyotisha encompasses the study of astronomy and astrology for understanding cosmic influences. Kalpa details the procedures and ritualistic instructions for performing Vedic sacrifices. The Upangas, these can be understood to be supplementary sciences which provide an expansion on Vedic knowledge. They are as follows. Mimamsa. As the philosophy of ritual interpretations, it focuses on the correct understanding and application of Vedic texts. Nyaya provides a framework for logic, reasoning, critical thinking and debate. Purana, this Upanga explains stories, legends and heritage of ancient times. Dharma Shastra, the science of law and ethics. It provides an outline for moral and legal codes for individuals, society, and the nation. The Upavedas. The Upavedas are the subsidiary to the Vedas, which apply Vedic principles to the practical and worldly sphere. These could also be called applied sciences. They are Ayurveda, the science of life and medicine. Ayurveda emphasizes holistic practices that balance the body, mind, and spirit. Dhanurveda is the science of archery and warfare. It teaches the techniques of combat, self-defense, and ethical use of weapons. Gandharva Veda, the art of music, dance, and drama, falls under the purview of this Upaveda. Arthashastra, this science of economics, politics, and governance, provides guidelines for administration, leadership, and statecraft. These also prominently demonstrate the holistic learning and spiritual growth within Sanatana Dharma. Collectively, as the backbone of knowledge systems, these provide guidance to individuals in various aspects of their life. The Ashtadasha Vidyas are an invaluable resource for both individual development and societal well-being. धन्यवादः.